Privileged to invite our beloved principal ma'am to come forward and share her thoughts with us.
I request everyone to please give a huge round of applause to these tiny tots. A stage is not just a space to perform. It's a place where dreams take form. Good evening, everyone. Respected dignitaries from SSB, Sashastra Suraksha Bal, esteemed media members, officials from various esteemed departments, our dear parents, and all the wonderful guests who have joined us this evening. I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you. It gives me immense pride to welcome our directors, Mr. Pankaj Agarwal and Mr. Anish Chan, whose unwavering commitment and vision to provide quality education have made St. M.R. Jaipuria School, Bahraich, a center of learning, values and excellence. We also take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Kanak Gupta and Mr. Shivas Gupta, the guiding light of all Jaipuria schools, whose blessings and wishings are the strength of Jaipurians. Their vision and leadership have made Jaipuria schools a true symbol of holistic education across the country, where every child is encouraged to grow not only academically but also emotionally and morally. जहाँ संस्कारों से जुड़ी, जहाँ शिक्षा संस्कारों से जुड़ी हो और हर बच्चा अपने सपनों को जीने की राह पाए, वही तो असली विद्यालय कहलाता है. We are honored to have with us Mr. Gautam Pandey, Deputy General Manager Operations, St. M.R. Jaipuria Group of Schools, a dynamic leader with over 20 years of experience in the education industry. His expertise in the school administration, marketing, strategic planning continues to inspire all Jaipuria branches to grow stronger and smarter. Sir, we are truly grateful for your constant support and valuable guidance. Also joining us are Ms. Pragya and Ms. Latika, our ever supportive academic mentors from Corporate Office. Your presence and cooperation means a lot to us. Dear parents, this grand celebration tonight is the outcome of teamwork, trust, and tireless effort. Our teachers have worked day and night. Our students have rehearsed for weeks. And all this has been possible only because of the faith of parents and their cooperation. माता पिता का विश्वास ही वह ताकत है जो हमें हर निर्णय बच्चों के हित में लेने की हिम्मत देता है. Your trust is our biggest motivation. Your encouragement is our strength. Here, I would also like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Siddharth and Mr. Jasveer for their outstanding dedication, mentorship in guiding our students along with our teachers. Now, dear audience, I would request all of you to fasten your seat belt because tonight you are about to experience a roller coaster ride of emotions, creativity and colors, all presented by our own Jaipurians. Every act, every smile, every beat on the stage carries months of efforts, love and learning. हर प्रस्तुति एक कहानी है, हर बच्चा एक सितारा है और आज की शाम इन सितारों के नाम है. At Jaipuria, we believe that education must touch every aspect of a child's personality, the head, the heart and the hand. We have introduced the Holistic Progress Card as per NEP 2020 in our foundation classes and will soon implement in primary classes. This ensures that learning is not just about marks but about growth, emotional, social, physical and intellectual. To enhance physical fitness and team spirit, I am delighted to share that by the coming session, our school will proudly present 1 lakh square feet sports arena. It will include both outdoor and indoor games like cricket, football, badminton, volleyball, basketball, kabaddi, long jump, shot put. offering our children complete indoor and outdoor experience under one roof. Along with this, a grand play station is being set up for our pre-primary children, filled with exciting swings and learning equipments that will develop their gross and fine motor skills while they play and smile. We are also proud to share that our students have participated in several district level competitions, taekwondo, music, art, culture, and have brought laurels to our school. We have successfully launched our own news channel, Jaipuria Happenings, where our students are news readers and news anchors reporting the events happening every month in the school. We are ensuring that every child gets the opportunity to face the camera. छोटे छोटे कदमों से ही मंजिल तक पहुंचते हैं. हर कोशिश में एक नई उम्मीद जगती है. Dear parents, we truly believe that school and parents together form the strongest team for a child's growth. We are always open to feedback, discussions and new ideas because they add to the pool of ideas and we all are one family, the Jaipuria family. On behalf of our directors, the management and my entire Jaipuria team, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to you all for your trust, cooperation and love. So now, without taking much time, let's sit back, relax and let the evening unfold with music, rhythm and magic created by our children. And yes, I request everyone to cheer and applaud every performance because your claps give them confidence and wings to fly higher. सपनों की उड़ान अब शुरू होने वाली है. मन सजेगा, रोशनी मुस्कुराएगी, बच्चों की मेहनत रंग लाएगी और तालियों की गूंज पूरे आकाश में समाएगी. Because the show must go on. And tonight, it's not just a show. It's a celebration of passion, purpose and pride. So dear guests, parents and friends, fasten your seatbelts once again, sit back, relax and enjoy this spectacular roller coaster ride of talent and joy brought to you by our shining Jaipurians. Thank you and let the celebration continue. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your empowering words. Your words truly guides us.
And we are the